Garmin Dashcam 67W earns its Best All-Around title by striking a perfect balance between features, performance, and affordability. This compact dashcam records in sharp 1440p HD resolution, delivering clear and detailed footage, while its impressive 180-degree field of view captures more of the road than most competitors. Garmin's Clarity HDR technology ensures excellent visibility in challenging lighting conditions, such as direct sunlight or low light. Its discreet design ensures it stays unobtrusive on your windshield, while the intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use. What sets the Dashcam 67W apart is its array of driver assistance features, including forward collision and lane departure warnings, which add an extra layer of safety during your drives. Voice control makes it convenient to save videos, start recordings, or take snapshots without lifting a finger. Paired with Garmin's Drive app, users can easily access live views, back up videos to the cloud, or share clips directly to their phones. With reliable performance, advanced safety tools, and seamless smartphone integration, the Garmin Dashcam 67W is the ultimate choice for drivers who want a dependable and feature-rich dashcam without venturing into premium price territory.